So I found this glass at Savers and I bought it for $1.49, and it is a cool glass because Jack Daniel's logo is actually made with the glass in mind, but it comes with this stupid Christmas tree, and I like the imprint, but I don't like the tree. So even though I have the tree on here, we're gonna take the tree off, and it's cool find for $1.50. Also, same kind of concept and idea. I like the imprint of the Guinness. I'm not a huge fan of the logo, so I think I'm going to take it off, and that way I can just keep the cool heart logo for Guinness. And I got this one at Savers for $1.99. So let's take them off. So here I have two different ingredients, ingredient A and ingredient B. If I mix two into a paste with water, I get this paste right here, and I like to make it nice and thick. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this paste to the graphic, and I'm gonna let that harden over. So I'm gonna just forget about it all day, which is my favorite thing to do. And then once it's hardened over, then we're gonna come back and address it. Okay, so you can see the pattern, and I put just a nice smattering of product on there, and I'm just gonna let this dry. So just gonna put it down. And then I have the other cup right here, and I'm gonna cover this Guinness logo so I can just keep the heart. I'm just gonna set that there so it dries. And then I have this one here all smothered up, and we'll come back when it dries. It's hardened over. This is the one with the Christmas tree. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a razor, which is in my hand, and try to take it off. So it looks like this one is coming off. You can see the detail. However, my Christmas tree one was not, so this one was really on there. I don't know if this is etched in a special way, but that design is really on there. It's pretty good. Almost there, and just have to wipe off. Alright, now that's all gone. We're gonna go to the sink and wipe her off. Well, it's just a little bit on the other side, but how cool! It's $2.